of the drone pilots crashed their drone because of this control mistake. In this video, I am going to explain you super easily how to control the DJI RCN0, how to fly any drone with the controller. Don't panic when you see a controller, and I will explain you how to control a drone super easily. Let's go to the video. Now let's go to the left joystick. We call this left stick. Also, you can tell us left joystick, and this joystick controls your drone altitude and rotation, and I will explain. If you move this left joystick up, the drone will behave like this. I will show you on the screen. Okay, it will go up. And if you move the same stick to down, the drone will go down. Okay, that means it will come down. Okay, and if you move this stick to the left, the drone will rotate to the left. If you move this stick to the right, the drone will rotate to the right. And let's go to the next joystick, the stick. And the next stick do a main role in your drone. Okay, let's talk about that stick. And this stick is about completely about movements. Okay, not height or rotations. This is the movement drone controlling the movement forward, backward, like that. Okay, if you move this joystick up, the drone will go front. That means if you move this joystick front, the drone will go front like this. And if you move the joystick like this, the drone will come to you. Okay, while the camera facing away from you. Okay, then this, if you rotate this joystick to move this joystick to the left, the drone will go to the left. If you move this joystick to the right, the drone will go to the right. And I will show you the demonstrations after the video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I am experienced about 4 years in drones. And if you need to know about drones and become a professional drone pilot, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our drone squad. And
drone goes up.
Drone comes down. Drone rotates left. Drone rotates right.
Drone moves forward. Drone moves backward. Drone moves left.